welcome to I Teach Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to be creating application security group as part of our AZ500 series, lab series. This is going to be lab 2. And in this lab, we're going to create application security group so we can restrict certain policies, certain application from going through the firewall. And in this case, we could have application like RDP, or in a web application, anything. So it's a very powerful tool that we have in our disable. Let's go ahead, create application security group now. So we're going to go search for application security group under the Azure main portal, main menu. Search for application security group. And then you're going to see we don't have anything right now. We're going to go ahead and click the plus create. And then we're going to see our subscription by default is selected. If we have multiple subscription, we can do the drop down menu. In this case, we're going to choose the right subscription over there, and we're going to click on the resource group. And the resource group is named the AZ500 Lab, and the name is going to be My ASG Web Server. This is for application security group for web server. We don't have any other option like the network, virtual network. We just simply going to hit, tagging if you want to, or we can just hit create review plus create. We can get a review validation is passed. Now we hit create. Simple as that. And we wait for the creation or deployment to complete. And you can see it's completed quickly. Nothing, eventful about it. But the configuration is what makes this cool. And we're gonna, before we finish with this, once this deployment is completed, we're gonna go ahead and create another application security group. And this time it's gonna be for servers. This is for web servers. And then we're going to create for management servers. So we're going to click on application security group again. And then we're going to go ahead and click create one more time. You can see we have my ASG web server. Now we're going to create the same thing. Choose the same resource group. And then we're going to go ahead and name it my ASG management servers. And then we're going to do the same thing. Review, create. It's going to take no time at all as well. All the fun and magic will happen later on. Right now, we're simply pre-staging our group. You're going to have the resource group created or the application security group created before you can configure anything else. So we're literally now preparing for that. We'll be posting another video on how to utilize this configure application security group, network security group, etc. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's all we were doing today. I hope that you like this series we're doing. And if you do, please give us a thumbs up by liking the video, subscribing if you haven't already. Have a great rest of the day. Peace.